Cadbury could not be any closer to the window. Are you laying in the windowsill? Not even. You're laying in the window. Are you pretending you're outside? He got his flea and tick today, so you're not looking as beautiful as always, huh? Are you laying in the window? Huh? Oh my goodness, look at the big boy. Look at the big boy. Cadbury loves when I open the windows. My air conditioning's broken, the central air unit. They're coming out tomorrow to fix it, so I have the windows open because it's hot in here. I think it's like 79 in here. And it's like 81 outside, but it's really breezy, so it feels good. Coming rain. He could not, it's not enough just to lay on the scratcher. He has to lay the actual window. But these windows I really like because they won't go out like as hard as you push, which I see some cats fall out of the window and stuff, which makes me crazy. Oh, had to switch sides. The scratcher's dirty. Beautiful boy. Are there any birds in the fountain? No, not right now. They love to take baths and get drinks. If I'm really still, if I sit out on the swing there and I'm really still, they come and do it, which is awesome because it's like 2 feet in front of me. So I love watching that. This is not staying here. It's a disaster. Girlfriend, are you hot? She got her flea and tick too. You can really see it on her. Yeah, Shelby's gonna get her hair cut soon. Let's see what the other boys are doing. Rain, I hear you. I'll be right in. Uh-oh, just stormed on. That's all the chewy papers, but we gotta sieve them because we like to play. But I vacuumed, so everything's up on the couch. Hi, Stummy. You watching the birds? Let's see what Rain and Storm are doing. No, not Storm. That was Storm. This is what he does. I hear you. What do you want? What do you want? Why are you bothering me? Where's your baby? Where's baby Little? I don't know where Little is. Hi, honey. Hi. Oh, there's baby Little. Hi, Little. Oh, yeah. Don't get on my jammies. All right, guys. We'll see you later.